17 News at 5 starts right now.
I've witnessed Bakersfield's overwhelming support to the community in the past and my own family, and this is very common. This is exactly what Bakersfield is about.
A community comes together to support a little boy whose life was forever changed at the hands of his father on this Sunday, June 14th, 2009. Good evening. Anna has the night off. Angelo Mendoza, better known as Baby Angel, has touched the lives of many here in Kern County. It was nearly a month ago when his father allegedly caused severe damage to his eyes. But out of that tragedy, our community is coming together to show support to Baby Angel and his family. 17's Tim Callahan is in our newsroom tonight to tell us how. Tim?
Well, Robin, it's a case of alleged child abuse that has affected many people here. So dozens of Bakersfield motorcycle clubs decided to hold a ride in Angelo's honor today to raise money for the little boy's family and bring awareness to a life that most will agree has been forever changed. Little Angelo Mendoza has captured our hearts, but his story too horrific to even comprehend. Out of a tragedy, though, Bakersfield is working to mend a broken family.
When we hear about things happening to kids or anything like that, or there's a good cause, you know, we rally together and we come out here and we try and support the kid.
It's just a horrible tragedy, and that's what we're here for, to support him.
Today, more than 500 faithful motorcycle riders geared up and fired up their bikes, taking to the road in Baby Angel's honor. The morning ride began at the Harley-Davidson Motorcycle Shop in North Bakersfield, then to Hart Park, and finally to Beach Park in Central Bakersfield. For participants, it's about showing support for a little boy and his family.
It's not just the biker community, it's everybody. But as far as the biker community goes, if you look around, you'll see patches from all the different clubs. This child has a need, and this is what we're about.
You know, I can't fathom what the little boy is. That's a hard one. That touches me pretty deep.
And it also touched her 2-year-old son, who decided to give his most treasured possession to little Mendoza, his teddy bear.
He grabbed his flashlight and thought he would help Baby Angel see, and so he had explained to our 2-year-old that a flashlight's not going to help. So he grabbed his teddy bear and wanted to give his teddy bear to Baby Angel so that he'd have something to squeeze.
For many out here, it's hard to imagine such a horrible crime, but that's what's driven so many to give, the chance to heal a little boy and bring a community closer together.
whatever it is. So make sure that you're not covering up the entrance to the bike area.
Quick Signs, Minto Buru, PTS, Quiznos, Relevant Church, Sacred, Gypsies, Snyder's Bike Shop, the 2030 Club, Earners, Wall Street Imprints, and Wells Fargo. And lastly, I just want to thank each of you guys for being here to support Baby Angel. Right now, let's just welcome the first band today, which is from Ritual to Romance. Yeah!